First improvement for the week, we've got our sit stand desk set, and you can just literally just hit the height and off it goes. Look at that. We've got the dispensers back, so we've got the thermal paste for the actual LED chip and the thermal paste for the heatsink plates, and they're all in, and you literally just push a pedal and out comes the thermal paste. Nice and easy, no struggle. Jacob's been labelling and fixing some of the printers, so we've actually got them numbered so we can easily identify if there's any ones with any existing issues. We've got number 2 that's still not working, but the rest of them are all going, and it's all been set up into this nice little station. We've got our boxes set up, so we've got ones that are in build in here, and we've got our bins as well that are both labelled general and mixed recycling. The guys got fairly busy labelling, so it's Jamie and Cam labelling all of the different boxes and placing all the bits and pieces in their appropriate places. Great job, guys. Liam was on with a little bit of safety stuff, so he sorted out this just for the corners, and then he also sorted out this piece of carpet back on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to finish this off with a few more carpet tiles, and then that will make this much safer, much less likely for anyone to hurt themselves. I refixed the carpet gripper here so that the carpet's no longer sticking up, and the door actually closes itself, which is important because it's a fire door. We brought in our first iteration of Kanban cards. So we've got an internal Kanban and tells us the location, where to find the ones to restock, and there's also a QR code links to a video if they need to know how to do that. And the guys 3S'd the kitchen area, so everything's nice and neat and tidy, everything in its place, and it's clean. Jamie and Liam sorted the material storage, so we've got it all nice and neat, everything's together. Not yet labelled, but we're getting there. But you can actually visually see, there's nice visual control in terms of actually seeing what stock we actually have, which is fantastic. The guys also reorganised this area here, which is that little rack that's on wheels, or it was on wheels, we'll talk about that later. But we've got our drill bits all organised, and well, at least those ones are all at least organised, and we've got our collets and stuff together. We've got a bit more work to do on this one, but it is a massive improvement on what it was. Okay, continuing the improvement. So Jacob had a fix what bugs you moment. The guys kept asking him what the address was. So he took a label and stuck it to the wall by the computer where they print the labels, which I think is amazing. So that's awesome. Jacob also reorganised his area for where all the parts are for the electronics, etc. It's not yet been labelled, but it is actually well organised in here. So we just need to now standardise, and then we're away. Liam erected 2 racks, which means that this floor area is now clear, which is fantastic. We've still got to sort all the stuff on the racks. A lot of this stuff is to be disposed of or sold, etc. But it's looking so much better already. Between myself and Liam, we put up the remaining carpet tiles to cover the shutter opener, so there's no longer a health and safety issue with regards to hitting your head on that for the taller guys. And we also got the extractor going for the laser, which is awesome. So now we can actually get rid of all the laser fumes. And we finally moved all the label printers actually to the pack station, so now we can actually pack from this station and print our labels here and now, rather than having to do all that motion and go all the way over into the back corner.